Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can pin a conversation or chat in your account on Microsoft Copilot in 2026. So let us guide you through this. Head over to your account on Copilot, log in with your Microsoft account. You can do this, for example, via the web application of Copilot or on your mobile device. And what you want to do is navigate to your library of chats and conversations here to the left. And if there's, for example, a chat or conversation you consider more relevant than the others, you may pin it by clicking into these three dots and by selecting pin. So I'm going to do this with this example geography quiz. And now, as you can see, that judging by that symbol here, this conversation has been pinned. So whenever you create or start a new conversation, it will appear in that list, but the pinned ones will be at the very top. Of course, you can unpin it at any time. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.